All right. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sachin Chitambran. As you have been introduced about the work I've been doing. I've been associated in the area of suicide prevention for over 13 years. 4 years I was with Samaritans UK, and for the past 9 years I've been associated with Samaritans Mumbai, along with Befrienders India, and also started my own organization called the Connect Hut. Now, of the experience that I've had in these 13 years, some basic information, like the conclusions that we could come up with, were some, first of all, that India is going through a mental health pandemic. I mean, the world is going through a mental health pandemic, but India is one of the front runners of the whole race. We had Dr. Nathu mentioned it was just a passing statement, but she had mentioned that India is the suicide capital of the world, right? Now, what does that mean? मैक्सिमम सुसाइड्स, राइट? हिंदी भी पसंद करोगे ना? बढ़िया. तो हम हिंदी में भी थोड़ा बात कर लेते हैं. चलो, तो ये देखते हैं to kind of understand how bad the numbers are truly. I'm not going to kind of traumatize you guys with too many numbers, but some basic information is needed, right? So India is not just going through a suicide crisis in the past few years. Most of us think that ये COVID के बाद से शुरू हुआ है, right? But if you look at it, the latest numbers that we have, 2022 is when the latest report came out from NCRB, National Crime Records Bureau. I'm speaking very fast because I've finished a lot of stuff. So in case you have any questions, just hold on, and I'll answer as many as I can. So the latest numbers show around 170,000 people died by suicide in 1 year, right? 2022. The year before it was 164. The year before it was 153. The year before it was 141. In fact, the year it was 153,000. That was the year when Corona was at its worst, and we had the highest number of lives lost to Corona. Any guesses? What was that number? So the year in which 141,000 people died by Corona, and we all went ahead and got our shots. In fact, 3 of them now, I guess. That year, we had 153,000 people die by suicide, right? Now and when I'm giving you these numbers are all incorrect as well. There is Lancet Psychiatry. You guys are psychology background, so Lancet Psychiatry has conducted a research in India where they found out that the underreporting of suicides, जो underreporting होती है, everyone understands what's underreporting? Right? वो suicide नहीं था, वो फिसल के गिरा था, or something or the other, right? So that underreporting is to the tune of 80 to 100%. What does that mean? Right. So whatever number you've got, right, you just need to double that number. So it's not 170,000. It's right. So you're looking upwards of 3 lakh people are dying every year. Anyone taken any shots for anti-suicide? Nothing's happening, right? Do we even hear about it? Right, that's the concern that we are dealing with here. So India is going through a mental health pandemic, or world is going through a mental health pandemic. Suicide is one of the biggest indicators of this pandemic as well, right? Because the last mental health survey that was conducted was by NIMHANS 2016, I believe, where I think over around 30 million people in India are considered to be having comorbidity of mental health issues. We are not talking about just mental health issues. We are talking about having, right. So in fact, where they would need psychiatric intervention. It's no longer just a social support system that would come in and help them. They would need an active psychiatric intervention. That is what we are looking at. In India, and this number is actually 1 in 5 Indians, right? It's not just India, to be honest. 1 in 5 is the WHO ratio that has been given for the world. That 1 in 5 people will experience suicidal ideation at some point of time in the world. 2022, 7.5 lakh people died around the world. 7.5 lakh, and वहाँ पे 1,70,000 हमारा है योगदान. So do we understand how bad it is now? And this is not because India is the most populated country either. we account for around 18% of the population. However, we account for over 26% of the deaths by suicide. One third of the women in the whole world who are dying by suicide, India. Similar situation for men as well. It's actually the numbers skew, in case anyone had that question, numbers skew is around 70-30 approximately. 70% males, 30% females. And obviously you guys have seen through the day how home domestic wage workers, they constitute one of the highest percentage. One shocking thing, however, is also around 11 to 13,000 kids died by suicide below 18 years of age. So when we are talking about suicide, suicide is not just an issue faced by a particular segment of society. It is just across the board, just simply across the board. People who are employed are dying, people who are not having a job are dying, old are dying, young are dying, but we don't know anything about suicide. And that's where the challenge is. And as young mental health professionals, this is kind of what I wanted to address with you guys. Because when we talk about suicide, right, we are looking at what, 60-70 million people in India grapple with suicide, suicidal ideation. Now, what do I mean by this? India mein rate 1 out of 5 nahi hoga. India capital hai. Right? With the number of interactions that I have had, the number is more like around 2 or 3 out of 5 will have suicidal ideation at some point of time in your life. In fact, वो number आप 1 out of 5 ही देख लो, इस room में अभी कितने लोग हैं? Around 200? 200 plus है? 250 on the record. So we have 250 plus people here, right? वही mathematics में, how many of you have experienced suicidal ideation? Just, I mean, you don't have to raise your hands. This isn't a test, right? But statistics say, out of 250, how many people are having or had or will have suicidal ideation? Right. वो 1 out of 5 का ratio है. 2 or 3 out of 5 के ratio में क्या करोगे? Exactly what we are doing now. चुप बैठेंगे. Suicide पे बात नहीं करना है. Right? That is the biggest challenge. Over here, I do like to think about the situation where around 20 years ago, we never used to say AIDS. AIDS मत बोलना, हो जाएगा. Cancer मत बोलना. 3 साल पहले कोरोना मत बोलना. हो जाएगा. होता है क्या? नहीं. ये change हुआ है हम में. When we get information, right, this Yoga Sutra or your Indian philosophical, what does it say? Your dukho ka karan hai avidya. You don't know the right knowledge. But the moment you get the right knowledge, what happens? That fear can change. Because what we are talking about, and one of the few things that I would like you to take away from here today would be suicide is a warning sign, is a symptom, rather than just an act that we consider it to be. And this I will kind of elaborate and try to drive home the point with you guys, and why it is not actually quite helpful to be afraid of it. Right? कोई बच के जाने वाला है? Anyone planning to live forever? नहीं, मरना सबको है. So this essential anxiety around death that we are having, we may need to address it at some point of time. So, shall we? Right. Another challenge is why it is specific for you guys. Over 90% of mental health professionals in India have clients with suicidal ideation. Mental health issue. Guess what will happen, right? So if over 90% of mental health professionals are facing clients, because that is what it feels like for some of the mental health professionals, right? यार मुझे नहीं बात करनी है, उसे suicidal ideation है, कहीं मर गया तो, right? These are the basic logistical issues that a person is facing. तो private practice कैसे खोलोगे आप? Right? This is what we are dealing with. And the case for US is over 75% of mental health professionals in US do not have any formal training in suicide prevention or understanding what suicide as a crisis is. What is that number for India? So this is an extrapolated number that we believe is the situation in India, that over 95% of mental health professionals in India do not have any formal training in understanding suicide. Suicide का एक chapter है आपके college में, but that unfortunately won't do it justice. Right? That's also the case. So, Is it important for you guys to know about it? Hell yes. Very much so. So what are the challenges? Like I mentioned earlier, the major challenges reported by mental health professionals involve legality, right? Yaar, kya hoga? How do I deal with someone who has told me that they are having thoughts of killing themselves? Already hawa nikal gaya. This person is saying, "Arey, isme logic hai kya? Is there any logic when a person is telling me I want to die?" It feels senseless, right, for a lot of us, especially if you haven't actually gone through this. Right? All of you know hunger? Right? Context है. तो अगर मैं आपको बोलूँगा मुझे अभी भूख लगी है, पर आप बोलेंगे लंच तो खाया था ना, मैं बोला फिर भी लगी है, you will still understand. Why? You have the context of what hunger is. But if I tell you I have thoughts of killing myself, what context do you have? Right? So legal डर हमें ज़्यादा सताता है ये सब context में. But the point being, what the person is lacking the most at that time is often a connection. And the situation happens for a lot, and I'm saying these things out quite kind of raw out there. If anyone does feel like sharing or emotionally venting afterwards, please feel free. But imagine the state of a student who's going to a mental health professional, going through all the stigma. Just student ही नहीं, millennials हम जैसे भी लोगों को देख लो. After all the stigma and all the things that we kind of discussed, and we finally sit in front of a mental health professional, and one of my, because पानी यहाँ तक आने तक हम तो जाएंगे नहीं, है ना? अभी यहाँ तक पानी आ गई है तो शायद suicidal ideation भी आ गया है, right? और इसके बाद अगर हम जा रहे हैं mental health professional के पास, and the moment I'm getting that courage, like boss मुझे मरने के ख्याल आ रहे हैं, बहुत डर लग रहा है. This is what I'm trying to communicate, right? And the person says, you need to go back home, bring your parents. Isn't that the standard practice though? Tell me, what is that person going to be going through on the way back? When we are saying that I don't want this person's death to be my responsibility, but then opening the door and telling the person who came to you for help, go back. Sounds a bit counterintuitive. What do you reckon? I mean, hopefully that wasn't a euphemism that you used, right? But do we hear the situation? But this is a day-to-day occurrence. This is a day-to-day occurrence, right? Liability. If someone dies in US, यहाँ पे वहाँ पे आंकड़े रखते हैं, हम नहीं देखते यहाँ. So over 25% of those who died by suicide in US were undergoing therapy. Oops. So would it ever happen in your own practice that someone may die? Yes. Yes. Is it your fault though? No. This is something we need to be able to. That autonomy that we were talking about, it is not just to kind of help and respect and understand self-determination, but it also protects you too. This is also something you need to understand. Oh, sorry. Other than that, what else? Anxiety about death, about suicide. Some of us have experienced suicide quite closely, right? Maybe we have experienced it ourselves, suicidal thoughts, or someone close to us, or maybe we may have even lost someone to suicide, right? Now, how do I then take on a client, right? So, anxiety around the subject itself, stigma. And by the end of the talk today, I would like to do a small exercise with you guys where we will address that stigma in you. And we'll try and see, and obviously there's no going to be any check in terms in that. You will be doing that self-check with yourself, but I'm sure you will get the answers. So let's address the challenges with the question, what is suicide? है? Suicide क्या है? Loss of hope है, life भी होता है. Loss of happiness, dopamine बंद हो गया तो मर जाएगा इंसान. No reason to live. No, I'm just asking, suicide. Suicide क्या है? Killing yourself. बस, हो गया यहाँ पे आत्महत्या, खुद खुशी. Right? Now, when we try to understand suicide as well, right? Most of us have heard these terms, right? Why did the person kill themselves? Or is having suicidal? Is it a sign of weakness? This we have heard of. I'm not saying you may personally believe it, but if you do as well, feel free to raise your hands. I'm not judging. Right? Weakness, mental weakness से होता है. Right? Buzdili, cowardice, होता है. We have heard. Attention seeking, ये भी सुना है. How many of us have even heard courage? देखो पता है कितना courage लगता है? ये भी सुना है. But is suicide that? All right. So to get context of suicide itself, I'm going to do an analogy. एक thought exercise करते हैं. विकल्प करेंगे. 9/11. ये number बोलता हूँ. What does that signify? Twin Towers? Right. So most of you are quite young, probably born after 2001, so you may not know that. But 2001, world changed. The two tallest twin towers in the world or in US, America की शान. दो planes आके collide करें, 60th floor, 70th floor. Massive fire and the building crashed and thousands lost their lives. This is the story, right? How many of you have actually seen the video of that crash? Right, quite a few of you. Now, if you have seen the video, in fact, if you have seen it live, when it was happening, you may even remember where you were sitting when you saw that video. Right? इतना अच्छा तो CGI भी नहीं था हमारे पास. क्योंकि ऐसा हमें टीवी पे दिखाई दिया. Are we understanding what happened there, right? Now, if you have seen the video, you must have seen something else as well. Other than the fire, the plane crashing, the building falling. There was something else that you could have seen. People dying, jumping. People jumping from the 70th floor, 80th floor से jump कर रहे हैं. Now, question. How many of you will call that suicide? Okay. कितने जन बोलेंगे जो कूदे वो suicide था? Okay, let me ask it a different way. How many of you will say वो suicide नहीं था? उठाओ यार शान से. चलो, majority. We believe that वो suicide नहीं था. क्यों नहीं था? Self defense. ये first time था. हाँ? अच्छा, वो बचने के लिए कूदा. Right. हैं? बचने के लिए कूदा कि पैनिक था? क्या था? पैनिक था. राइट अगर आप में से कोई 10वें माले पे खड़ा हुआ है 10th फ्लोर क्या दिखता है नीचे मौत बोलेंगे राइट सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अगर कोई एनी अदर डे इफ समवन हैड जंप्ड फ्रॉम अ 5th फ्लोर बिल्डिंग व्हाट वुड यू हैव कॉल्ड इट सुसाइड 10th फ्लोर से कूदते तो पक्का सुसाइड 5th से शायद बच जाता राइट 70th फ्लोर नहीं बट बचने के लिए कूदा है वेयर इज दैट लॉजिक कमिंग फ्रॉम राइट व्हाट एल्स देयर इज अदर थिंग्स सचिन अगर है ना मैं उसके जगह पे होता शायद मैं भी वही करता हाँ ये भी है ये भी बोलते हैं हम क्यों सचिन वो सुसाइड कैसे हो सकता है कि जब वो घर से निकला था उस दिन वो थोड़ी ये सोच के निकला था आज मैं कूदूंगा राइट ये भी आई जस्ट हैव अ कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द फीडबैक आई हैव गॉट राइट वो ये सोच के थोड़ी गया था कि आज मैं कूदूंगा तो फिर ये सुसाइड कैसे हुआ राइट बट जस्ट नाउ यू डिफाइंड सुसाइड द पर्सन किल्ड देमसेल्फ डिडंट दे did someone push them no they had to take that step themselves did they know what will happen if you jump from a 70th floor yes you know if you're standing on that window you know but we do not understand this suicide. So let's understand. I assure you, this is a suicide. But our problem is not with this suicide. Our problem is with every other suicide. And I'll try to explain this. Okay? So what are we going to do? Join me using your imagination and we are going to go to that 70th floor where that flight had crashed. It's burning, fire everywhere. So we are in that room. And while we are in that room, what do you see? फायर, कुछ ब्लैक स्मोक, इट्स एवरीवेयर, आई कांट सी. क्या सुनाई दे रहा है? स्क्रीमिंग, शाउटिंग, आग की लपटें. Are you able to breathe? No. Right? Are you able to, and okay, and what's the pain like? Pain. आग है ना, दर्द हो सकता है थोड़ा बहुत. आप में से किसी को लगा है चटका? हाँ, दर्द हुआ था बहुत ज्यादा. वो कितना टेम्परेचर था? गर्म पानी 100, 200 दे देता हूं. Just 200, take 200, right? अगर आपका हाथ तभी जलता, आप क्या करते? सेकते कि हटाते? हटा देते. Sure? Good. Now imagine that building to fall down that involved concrete and steel to melt. What temperature is needed to do that? 1400 is the starting boiling, I mean the melting point. It starts 1400 degrees centigrade. ये दर्द समझ में आ रहा है क्या है? 100 डिग्री नहीं बर्न झेल पाए थे ना, 1400 डिग्री क्या है? Not possible, right? Now what we are saying is, I can't see, I can't hear, I can't breathe, I can't even hear my own thoughts, and the pain is unbearable. Unbearable pain. And am I able to save myself, open the door and get out? No. तो धुआं है, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, मैं खुद को बचा भी नहीं पा रहा हूं. तभी झटपटा के जब मैं विंडो तक पहुंचा, विंडो तोड़ा, नीचे देखता हूं तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर नहीं है. कौन सा माला है? 70th फ्लोर. और अब मैं नीचे देखूं तो मेरा भी पैर थोड़ा कपाएगा ना. So you will notice in those videos as well, so many of them tried to hold on 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. They tried their best to hold on, but after one point, they had to, right? So definition of suicide, if you kind of want to understand, I'll give you another one as well. Definition of suicide is when the pain of living exceeds the fear of dying, right? What does that mean? अच्छा, इसे कोई हिंदी में बताएगा क्या मैंने कहा? When the pain of living exceeds the fear of dying. आप सब में मरने का खौफ है? कोई है यहाँ शूरवीर? नहीं ना? Right. So fear is essentially an evolutionary mechanism that we have. The fear is the one that helps save us, right? डर के आगे जीत नहीं, normally मौत होती है. जी, कुआं में कूदे जी, right? Or any other situation where we are talking about an unbearable pain that the person is experiencing, where it's not that the fear of dying kind of goes down in anyone, but if this pain were to escalate, तब क्या होगा, right? So our issue is not with this suicide, our issue is with every other suicide. And you know why? क्योंकि यहाँ इस सुइसाइड में हमें उनके मौत का वीडियो दिखाई दिया, हमें उनके दर्द का वीडियो दिखाई दिया, हाँ या ना? दिखाई दिया. तो हम देख पाए कि बोले भाई ये वाला तो मैं भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा, हाँ या ना? दिस इज द डिफरेंस. नाउ आई विल आस्क यू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. आप में से कोई यहाँ पे है जिसके लाइफ में दर्द नहीं है? देखो हंसते हैं. Right? This is the training we have. If I ask you about pain, you will smile. Why? ये ट्रेनिंग है हमारी, right? तो आप सबके अंदर एक बर्निंग रूम है, but the point is आज उसका टेम्परेचर मैनेजेबल है, अराउंड टोस्टी 30. सो इतना ही गर्म है कि आपको घर से बाहर निकालता है, काम पे भेजता है, कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में भेजता है और वापस घर पे बुला देता है, राइट? अगर ये गर्मी पूरी खत्म हो जाती तो बेड से तो निकलोगे नहीं, है कि नहीं? तो थोड़ी गर्मी चाहिए, यूस्ट्रेस बोलते हैं इसे, राइट? बट देन व्हेन अगर यही गर्मी जो अभी 40 पे है, अगर ये 1000 की हो गई तो that's when suicides happen, right? So this is the first thing you need to understand. Whenever, if anyone is talking about suicide, for those who jumped off the building, off the Twin Towers, when they were falling down, when you saw the video, did any one of you say that, look at this attention seeker? है अटेंशन मांगता है इसको और व्हाट एल्स देखो कितना वीक है देखो थोड़ा देर आग थोड़ा नहीं बर्दाश्त कर पाया बच जाता था ना नहीं और कावर्ड बुजदिल देखो लाइफ की परेशानियों से कूद के भाग गया और कितना बहादुर है देखो 70th फ्लोर से कूदा सो मच गट्स एनी ऑफ दिस वुड बी से नो व्हाई दैट वुडंट मेक सेंस This is the first thing we need to understand about suicide as well. Right? Suicide is not a sign of attention seeking or weakness or cowardice or courage either. We don't have to dilly-dally on that spectrum of courage and cowardice. Suicide has got no value attribution to it. Right? Suicide is a symptom of pain, of psychological pain, high amount of psychological pain that the person is experiencing, and suicide becomes the only option available for that person. Right? So this, I hope, may help change some of these perspectives. And the second thing I also want you to understand is nobody wishes upon suicide. What does that mean? थोड़े मरने के ख्याल आएंगे तो मजा आएगा. Said nobody ever. Right? But Sachin, the person is saying, I feel like dying, I want to kill myself. They didn't wish this particular thought as well. We are kind of aware of intrusive thoughts. All thoughts are intrusive in a way. Some you like, so you don't label it in a bad way. But isn't that the case for everything? Right? So what is suicide? Suicide is a symptom of pain. It's the first thing we need to understand. Now, what causes suicide? When we are, there was another analogy, but I don't think we'll have time. Over here, I would like to invite you to look into Edwin Schneidman. He's considered to be the father of suicidology. And he's the one who introduced the concept of the 3 P's of suicide. When we talk about 3 P's of suicide, the Schneidman's cube of suicide aata hai. If you look at it, it will be like a square cube. Now, according to Schneidman, there are 3 things that are essentially needed for a suicide to happen. Right? Have you guys heard these terms? Psychache, perturbation, pressor? नहीं? ठीक है, तो समझ लेते हैं. Psychache क्या है? Pain in the mind. Psychache, headache, psychache. But essentially what we are talking about is any and every unresolved trauma that you have collected over your life. दर्द के सारे घाव जो आपने समेटे रखे हैं उसी को हम ये साइकेक करके अभी नाम दे देते हैं. Perturbation. What does that mean? Agitation, right? Now, imagine perturbation is the sense of almost like suffocation. That I do not have a choice. This sense of, have you guys heard of black and white thinking? Right, similar. Essentially, where the hopelessness is so high, the person is almost feeling stuck, hopeless, helpless, worthless, useless. These tend to be the keywords that come in under perturbation, where there is that agitation of helplessness. I can't escape. Right? और कोई चारा नहीं रहा. This kind of a sensation that the person is experiencing comes along with suicidal ideation. Right? And finally, the third one is the pressor. What do I mean by pressor? Trigger. Right? Pressor is usually what most of you assign a suicide blame on. Right? उसने सुसाइड क्यों किया? पापा ने डांट दिया. पता नहीं अच्छा खासा था, पापा ने डांट दिया, सडनली जाके रूम में सुसाइड हो गया. Have you heard such things? बॉस के साथ झगड़ा हुआ, नौकरी जाने वाली थी, सडनली उन्होंने ऐसा कर दिया. Everything is apparently impulsive. But this is where kind of we go wrong as well. You have to understand that without these three things, like, so let me give you an analogy of fire quickly. For fire to take place, right? आग को लगने के लिए 3 चीजों की जरूरत होती है. क्या है वो? ऑक्सीजन, fuel and ignition, right? Heat, fuel and oxygen or air, and you have fire. इसमें से एक भी चीज हटा दो, क्या होता है? आग होगी? नहीं होगी ना? कि होता है? कोई स्पेशल आग है क्या आपका? नहीं. So नहीं होता है. तो similarly, these three conditions have to be met for a suicide to take place. That there needs to be high level of psychic, and this is where, if you see the cube, it will make more sense. This is more like a fair analogy I wanted to give you. So if there is psychic, that means unresolved trauma काफी है. There is perturbation. Now this is where mental health issues come into play. A sense of cognitive decision नहीं है, मेरे पास options नहीं है. This tend to be side effect of having mental health issues or a disorder or a comorbidity. यहाँ पे आपके cognition में इतना struggle आता है. And then इस condition में आपने एक चिंगारी आ गई, यहाँ पे जॉब छूटा है, यहाँ पे ब्रेकअप हुआ है, यहाँ पे एग्जाम में फेलियर आया है, राइट? ये यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है. बिकॉज इमेजिन अगर मैंने ये रूम में पेट्रोल भर के रख दिया हो, 3 महीने मैंने रख दिया, आग अगर कैसे ना कैसे तो लग जाएगी ना. चिंगारी आना इजी है कि पेट्रोल भरना इजी है? चिंगारी आना इजी है. तो अभी अगर ये रूम जल गया, चिंगारी के कारण था, पेट्रोल के कारण था, कि हवा है बोल के था? All three. You cannot take any of these from that. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So whenever, if anyone is saying suicide क्यों हुआ है ये, if you want to be right 100% of the time, the answer is probably शायद वो दर्द में था. This answer you will never go wrong. फेल हुआ नहीं हुआ, क्यों फेल होने से सुसाइड होता है क्या? नहीं होता है? नो. That's a pressure. That's challenges in your life will happen on a daily basis. What was special about this particular challenge? This is why we tend to say कि मैं फेल हुआ तो मुझे तो नहीं करने का हुआ. That is why he must be weak. Right? This is our problem. Because that inner burning room that you are carrying. We all know सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ने सुसाइड क्यों किया. अभी कोई बोलेगा मर्डर था. Right? But tell me the truth. Does your family know all the pain in your life? Your partner, your wife, husband, daughter, mother, जो भी है. So even your significant other does not truly know all the context of your pain. But आपको पता है exactly सुशांत सिंह क्यों मरा है या फिर कोई और. थोड़ा अजीब नहीं है ये? Right? This is where we are going wrong. Because we are very quick to jump on a narrative. Exams की वजह से हुआ है, exams बंद कर देते हैं. फैन की वजह से हुआ है, फैन बंद करते हैं. बस AC से किसी ने ढूंढ लिया तो अभी AC भी बंद हो जाएगा. What are we doing here? We are looking at a very right? एकदम superficially हम एक target देख रहे हैं कि इसकी वजह से, और पूरा बिल इस पे डाल देते हैं. Problem is still there. And when we looked at the biopsychosocial model that we have heard of totally over the day, suicide, most often than not, you will see a lack of connection. This is almost like loneliness, and lack of connection tends to be a predominant factor around suicide, where the person does feel isolated, not just from the society, not just from the people who are in their immediate vicinity, like relationships, but even from themselves. This is the disconnection that they keep on going to. And the final disconnection kind of happens with themselves. And that's where that step of suicide also takes place. But, so there is some good news in here as well, right? Idea is all these three things have to come together. Otherwise, there is no suicide. In addition to this, there is some more positive news. When I say positive news around suicide, most of it will sound like dark humor, but go for it. So, when we are talking about suicide, almost 70% of those who attempt suicide will never attempt it again. I mean, when I say attempted suicide, these are those that didn't turn into suicide. So 70% of all attempts, they will never attempt again. This is a statistic. Next, 80% of those who have suicidal thoughts, who are actively engaging with suicidal thoughts, they will show signs. They will show warning signs. Right? And almost 60% or more of people who are having suicidal ideation have mental health disorders in the back end. This makes suicide the most preventable form of death. Anyone wants to do the math here? Why is suicide the most preventable form of death? If 80% of them were showing signs, आप कोरोना के टाइम में चीखते रहते तो मम्मी लेके जाती ना, क्योंकि साइन है ना, right? The same thing is happening here. If they are showing the signs, mental health, psychology, psychiatry, neuroscience is at a level where if we are not at least able to cure a particular mental health issue, we are at least able to manage it. Right? This is what is happening with AIDS helpline, right? कितने AIDS helpline इंडिया में बंद हो रहे हैं? क्यों? Because that stigma and the fear that people had with AIDS is now starting to go down. People know that now having AIDS does not mean automatically that my life is over. I can still continue. That sort of confidence is coming. आप बच्चे को भी अभी पूछोगे बेटा कैंसर हो गया है तो वो पहला पूछता है कि 4th स्टेज है क्या, है ना? नहीं तो पहले तो कैंसर, ये ऑलरेडी फोटो बनाने शुरू हो जाते थे, है ना? बट अभी नहीं है ये. Again, information, the right information, right? So there is some positive news. And another positive news, this is the dark humor part, right? 90%, over 90% of those who attempt suicide, it does not go through. In fact, that number is to the tune of 1:25. That means for every 25, 10 to 25 is the average, 10 to 25 attempts में एक suicide complete होता है. What does that mean? मुझे 10 बार कूदना पड़े? नहीं, वो भी नहीं. इसका मतलब ये है कि for every 25 attempts that happen, one person loses their life. See, the one of the best things is we did not get trained in killing ourselves, which media is helping us, by the way, है ना? ये देखो रस्सी कितने में ली है, कैसे गांठ बांधते हैं, that is training. वो हम देखते हैं. That is actually the triggering information you should be watching out for, rather than actual talks and conversations on suicide that we are actually ignoring and avoiding. Isn't that the case? Right. So positive news is there. Just because your friend has told you that they are suicidal, मतलब वो ticking time bomb नहीं है. Right? What has happened is the person has been able to tell you something very, very personal. And one of the things that we can do is try and get them help. We can look into that, and that's why we have suicide gatekeeper trainings, basics of suicidality. There are multiple courses that we have, and these are short courses as well for you guys to kind of get trained as well. So do look into it. Now, I want to quickly address some of the myths that may be more concerning for you guys who are going to be stepping into the industry. One of the most common myths in around suicide, which is talking about suicide will plant the idea. Right? How many of us think that? अभी myth करके लिखा है सचिन, कौन हाथ उठाएगा? Right? But think about this. What if the person is going through depression? अगर कोई डिप्रेशन में है, अगर आप उससे पूछोगे भाई आपको कहीं आत्महत्या के ख्याल आते हैं, तो क्या होगा? उसको लग सकता है वाओ अच्छा आइडिया दिया, मुझे क्यों नहीं आया? Do you think this is how we work? Human beings operate on this? No, we don't. But do you see this is what we are propagating? They will either get the idea or they will get upset with me. बोलो सुना.
थोड़ा हार्शली सुसाइड करते हैं, गन शूट करके या फिर ट्रेन्स के सामने जाके या फिर जल के या फिर फीमेल्स कुछ अलग अटेम्प्ट करते हैं, ऐसा कुछ रीजन?
Okay, I will get to that. That's a bit different from this. So let me come back to that. In case I forget, एक और बार याद दिला देना. ठीक है? Now, talking about suicide, अगर मैंने किसी से पूछा क्या आपको आत्महत्या के ख्याल आते हैं, इससे उसे या तो आइडिया आएगा या तो वो गुस्सा होगा. ये हमें लगता है. ओके, आप में से कितनों ने ये सवाल पूछा है? सब गुस्सा हुए थे? नहीं, तो किसी ने पूछा नहीं है बट पता है क्या होने वाला है पूछने के बाद। इसे क्या बोलते हैं? assumption, right? Good. Now we are able to say this. I have personally spoken about suicide, I don't know, thousands of people. This is not just, this is after the work of suicide helpline and all of those things, right? I've spoken to my mother, my family. I've asked my uncle, aunts, I've asked my friends. In fact, one day I was going through an airport security, right? Airport गए हो सब? दूर से तो देखा होगा ना? ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे security होता है. So security में क्या है? आप जाते हो, खड़े हो जाते हो ऐसे ही, and Jesus. So this particular person, CRPF का था बंदा. I had gone there, stood there again. तब मैं अपने भद्रकाल रूप में था. And this person obviously thought I was kind of like whimsical. So पूछा मुझसे कि यहाँ पे कैसे आना हुआ? तो मैंने रायपुर में, मैंने not the airport, not that whimsical. But airport में नहीं, रायपुर में क्यों आना हुआ? I told him like I'm a trainer. It's like क्या ट्रेनिंग करते हो? मैंने बोला आत्महत्या पे. तो आत्महत्या निरोध पे. And this is when I'm still standing like this, right? कि क्या करते हो? ट्रेनिंग करता हूँ किस पे? आत्महत्या पे. अच्छा, हमारा भी करा दो. This is what he said. हमारा भी करा दो. Do you know what over 90% of people who I tell that this is what I do, I'm a trainer in suicide prevention, तो job भी नहीं था सोचो, अभी हो गया है. What their answer is? Their answer is ये क्या है? This is the response I get. I know this. I know before I tell people, I know what they're going to tell me because this is what I hear every time. I work as a suicide prevention trainer. What's that? Right. And what did this guy say? हमारा भी करा दो. So वही Jesus position में आपको भी आते हैं क्या ऐसे ख्याल? Guess what his answer was? यार समझ में नहीं आता कभी कभी मैं जिंदा क्यों? What does that mean? साइन है पक्का ना? देखो यार मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कभी कभी मैं जिंदा क्यों हूं. अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस गाय वाज नॉट कैरिंग हिज मोबाइल फोन. सीआरपीएफ है, ड्यूटी पे है, बट ही हैड अ लोडेड गन. अगर मुझे ये डर लगता कि ये गुस्सा हो जाएगा, how could I have asked this question? I'm not telling you how great I am. I'm telling you how simple it is. That's what I'm trying to. I'm doing this and I'm talking. And how long does it take to get this check done? ये security check. 30 भी बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो. 5, 10, like literally. Done. Right? And in that we had this conversation. And that guy was able to then share his number and we were able to be in touch. But imagine if that day, nothing of this had happened. Right? And the person, supervisor had a bad day that day and he came up to him and उसे माँ बहन की गाली दे दी, उसने एक कुछ बोल दिया लोगों के सामने और इसका उस दिन कुछ हो गया और उसने गोली मार दी सुपरवाइजर को और खुद को भी मार दिया. आप क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know what happened. Suddenly कुछ तो हो गया and he just lost it and shot. It must be some internal issues. या फिर पागल है. Right? But would anyone be thinking that this person was actually going through pain for how long? Right? So this is what I was referring to as the superficial factors that we keep on pointing on. When we talk about suicide, it does the opposite. A person who's actually going through suicidal ideation themselves are struggling with those thoughts. My mind is telling me, go die. These are the thoughts I'm getting, right? How am I supposed to be comfortable in that? Isn't that messed up? तू जीत सकता है, तू हार सकता है, ये भी सुना है, तू मर सकता है, ये बोल रहा है मेरा दिमाग. Isn't that scary? Right, very. So this is the part we need to understand. Telling a person suicidal thoughts आ रहे, ये सब नहीं सोचने का. चल दारू पीते हैं. Right? In fact, that daru, sir, that might factor in for your question on why males do more lethal, जो आपका सवाल था अभी, ये सवाल का आंसर यहाँ पे आता है ज़्यादा. 1/3 of suicides in India are attributed to alcohol and drugs, I believe. क्यों? I'm not just talking about addiction here, right? The skewed ratio of men and women is 70-30, but more women attempt suicide than men. For 70% men to die, imagine more women have attempted it. But then numbers क्यों है? Now, in this as well, you will notice below 18 years of, I'm just going to throw some numbers at you, okay? Below 18 years of age, it's not the case. There are more females dying by suicide. The number is around 5,700 for females below 18 years of age and around 5,100 for males. But ये post 18 के बाद ये numbers change होने लगता है. ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Okay, there are various factors that are contributing to this. And this is just side reel पे हम गए हैं थोड़ा सा. To understand, who gets their sexual maturity first? Females, right? Now, periods used to happen when females were around 13, 14 years of age. But now it is happening at 8, 9. In fact, some cases younger as well. This is happening across the board, right? Now, what happens when a female starts getting her periods? There's a complete change. There's a freaking hurricane going on inside, right? And कल तक जो पापा भी बात कर रहे थे, गोदी पे बिठा रहे थे, अभी पापा भी दूर कर रहे हैं. The way men around me have changed their eyesight has been completely traumatizing. So a lot has changed for the female. And a lot of restrictions and everything start coming up around this time. And to deal with this, they have emotional upheavals as well that is happening. And this is for now for the rest of their foreseeable future. After this comes pregnancy, after this comes menopause. ये सब तो अपने अपने अलग अलग पड़ाव और ला रहे हैं और issues आ रहे हैं. Post 30 years of age is where you will start seeing the female suicide count going down. One of the major reasons attributed to this is kids. बच्चे. तो suicide को जानने के लिए main two things देखते हैं हम, causes नहीं देखते हैं. What you look at is essentially risk factors and protective factors. When you have more risk factors and protective factors, guess what we will need to do? We need to work more on the protective factors. Risk factors, आप उनके life को change नहीं कर सकते. Understand that autonomy that we were talking about earlier. You can't just willy-nilly go and start being Shaktiman with people. Burnout आपके 2 हफ्ते में हो जाएंगे. ठीक है ना? But if you're actually looking to have a career that actually makes sense for you guys, you will need to look at how you do not put your opinions, your decisions, your thoughts onto another person. That's only going to burn you out faster. Instead, try to see what is that human being looking to get out of this. Okay? Sorry about that. Sidetrack. So talking about suicide does not plant the idea or make the person angry. In fact, it helps the person release some of the anxiety that they are carrying around the subject. And finally, for the first time, they are actually able to talk about it with someone. Next, if someone is truly suicidal, they won't talk about it. जिसको मरने का है ना, वो सब मर जाता है, वो ऐसा बोलता नहीं है. Heard? सुना है ना? Right? Is it true? No, I just shared with you, over 80% of people who are going to die by suicide, they show warning signs. The only point is, और ये हमने research में देखा है, once we do the gatekeeper training and stuff where we show them what these signs are, then they're like, हाँ ये किया था, ये हुआ था. These things start coming up. So what are these warning signs? You need to get yourself acquainted with. Not to get scared, but to be able to have a sense of grounding around it. Therapists can fix someone who is suicidal. I was enjoying, right? When you guys were saying कि we'll empower them, we will do this. I'm like, कैसे करोगे भाई? इंसान बलून है, आप हवा भर के empowerment डालोगे? क्या होने वाला है? What are you going to do that is going to bring about this change in personality, attitude, temperament, all of these things in the person? आप कान में कुछ बोल देंगे और हो जाएगा. सदगुरु हो. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Right? one of the first things you will have to understand and accept is your nature. That is, आप इंसान हो, भगवान नहीं. As a human being, what are you able to do? And among them, fixing someone isn't something that is part of the agenda. You can be a companion. You can be someone in support, someone to help the other person share. But it does not happen where you are going to be overriding their things. And अभी depression 10 साल से depression में आया है, आपके पास 2 session हो गए, fixed. No, na? Right. Next, therapists are emotionally immune to the impact of suicide. Obviously, no. Right? But understanding that the fear of it is also stopping you from having a conversation with someone who is going through that. They are also seeking help. And you can have one of the most rewarding experiences working with people who are going through this, because definitely they need help. Right? But understanding that they are going through this is a perspective you need to keep at the back of your mind. And this is the last one, and we are done after this. Essentially, therapists should always try to prevent suicide, even if it means overriding the client's autonomy. This is the most controversial part, and I thought this is why I wanted to bring it up as well. What does that statement even mean? मुझे मरना है, अगर ये मैं आके बोलूं. क्योंकि one of the confidentiality exceptions is this, right? If the person is talking about harming themselves or others, we can break confidentiality. और आप क्या करोगे break करके? Right? Do you see where we are hanging here? We think we know what we are going to do. Empower कर देंगे. कैसे करोगे भाई? Right? ऐसे नहीं होता. The person has told you, I'm going to kill myself. This is what I'm going through. We, in fact, at working with suicide prevention helplines, we get calls not just from people who think, who say that I have thoughts of killing myself. They even call while they are killing themselves. These are the situations that we have to deal with. And what I'm happy to share is people still come out. One of the most important things about suicide that you have to understand is, remember the definition that I gave you, right? When the pain of living exceeds the fear of dying. What does that mean? This is a seesaw between pain and fear. Right? One of the first things that we at Suicide Helplines, what we focus on is emotional ventilation, where we have to be able to help them get in touch with their feelings. But उसका मतलब ये नहीं है to check your body right now, where do you feel something. ये question का जवाब आपके पास भी नहीं है. If I were to ask how are you feeling, इसका भी जवाब आधों के पास नहीं है. Good, fine, okay is the main answer. These are not feelings. So as budding psychologists, maybe developing your own awareness with your own feelings will be one of the first steps you will need to work on. Because if you are looking to help someone going through an emotional and mental crisis, imagine if they are having something on an emotional level, guilt है for example, और आपको guilt से problem है, आप उसकी help कैसे करोगे? And when I say help does not mean pulling someone out. It is about going there, being with them. That is more tough. And more easy as well, if you know what you're doing. Right? So do think about that, and I hope there is some change in your perspective around suicide. If someone has suicidal thoughts, does not mean automatically वो अभी फट जाएगा, 2 minutes छोड़ दोगे तो. Them getting an opportunity to speak with you about their thoughts itself is a major step for them. It already is. In fact, majority of the people, if they are only able to express these thoughts out and talk about it, majority of them will come out of it eventually. The point is, this is what they're not getting right now. And when we ask for suicide as well, कि are you suicidal, we tend to ask in a way कि वो answer भी ना ही बोले. Right? तुझे suicide तो नहीं हो रहा ना? हाँ बोलेगा क्या? Right? आप घर पे किसी को खाना नहीं देना है तो ऐसे पूछते हो ना, खा के ही आया होगा. Right? खाना तो नहीं खाएगा ना? So you know what you're asking the person to say. So if you're actually interested in saving people's lives, one of the first things you will need to do is ask the question. And that is the exercise, and we'll be done. I would like all of us to be able to do this exercise before we leave for the day. What is the exercise? Find the partner next to you. May I ask both of you to come here? Just as a trial. Huh? Now, what are we going to do? सब डर गए? शाबाश. तो ट्रेनिंग यही होता है. I told you I'm going to show you stigma. Right? Find the person next to you. हाथ पकड़ लो if that is allowed. Right. So everyone has a partner. Please, if you don't mind. इनके लिए mic. And what are they going to do? Please. No problem. Now, what are you guys going to do? You guys are going to ask each other this question. What? Are you having suicidal thoughts? Just that. Have you been having any suicidal thoughts? And what are you going to do? So, Rupaji, I'm sorry, I'm not. Shirisha. Okay. Rupaji and Shirisha ji are here. They are going to do the trial for us. So, what is going to happen? Rupaji, you may start and you will ask Shirisha ji if you have any suicidal thoughts. Wait. Now, if Shirisha ji says yes, आप क्या बोलेंगे? अयो क्या? सच्ची? ऐसा करें? नहीं. क्या करना है? Thank you. Thank you बताया. You see, as a person working in this space, majority of the time after a suicide happens, you know what I hear? सचिन उसने मुझे एक बार बोला होता ना. This is what I hear. Right? उसने मुझे एक बार बोला होता ना, मैं दुनिया से लड़ जाता, उसकी जान बचाता. उसने मुझे एक बार नहीं बोला. Unfortunately, and this is not meant to add guilt to you guys, right? Any information you are getting, what's the date today? 21st January 2024. You did not have access to this information before today. So you're not going to hold yourself guilty for anything that may have happened in your past, individual past. So do be aware of that. The point is, if only you were the one to ask the question. Right? एक बार आपने सवाल पूछा होता तो becomes the question, right? So if you are asking, are you suicidal or are you having any thoughts of suicide, and your answer is yes, I am, then you will say, thank you for telling me. Would you like to talk some more? Right? What if she says no, I'm not having suicidal thoughts? दे ताली मेरे को भी नहीं है. ऐसा? हाँ, मैं तो डर गया था. Thank you. Right? No. Why? Because this is our reaction. You are laughing at this. I know this sounds very dark, right? This is the reaction that happens. I'm so glad you are not suicidal. अरे अभी इसके बाद होगा तो बताओ नहीं पाऊंगा, क्योंकि आपको सुसाइड से प्रॉब्लम है. मुझे आपको दुखी नहीं करना है. Is that making sense? So she said no. Answer is thank you for telling me. That's it. Thank you. And what if she says not right now? Can we discuss this later? Sure. Thank you. We can talk later. How about today evening or tomorrow evening? चाय पे बैठ के बात करते हैं, दारू पे नहीं. I'm not asking you to all to be teetotalers, but if alcohol is becoming a coping mechanism, like Instagram is, right? So shall we do this? And all of you have to do this. You may do it on the side itself. I've shown you that. I just wanted them as representative.
So we don't need mic.
No, you don't need mic. Sorry. So all of you, shuru ho jao. Just the person next to you. Then first you ask, you reply, yes, no, whatever. Try to say yes. एक बार उनको भी सुनने दो yes कैसे सुनाई देता है. क्योंकि I'll tell you, your biggest fear is not उसके मन में idea आएगा या उसको गुस्सा आएगा. The biggest fear is अगर उसने हाँ बोल दिया तो. This is the biggest fear. उसने हाँ बोल दिया तो this is out of syllabus. Right? So the point is, be open to hearing a yes. Don't try to hear a no. You need to hear a yes. If my friend has corona, I would like to know that, so that I can help. Right? So in that format, we are done. Right? So can we quickly just check with each other, please? And that will be me. Done. Thank you.
Thank you, Sachin. When the pain of living exceeds the fear of dying, I think we will never forget this line today. Thank you so much for this eye opening session. I would request Dr. Rupa and Divya from Mukta Charitable Foundation to felicitate Mr. Sachin.
Sorry, camera. Could I quickly just share the email ID and stuff? I think that was the last page we couldn't give. Sorry, I'll just. So, if you want to just get in touch with us, we are the Connect Hut. You can look us up. We are online, the Connect Hut. HUT, it's not Hub. People call it Hub for some reason. You can even follow us on Instagram, social media, and if anyone wants to write about any opportunities or any work, any trainings or anything like that, support@theconnecthut.com. And I'll also give my number in case anyone does have any questions. Just don't call me for any just questions. I don't just answer. But if you have any issues actually you're dealing with or someone close to you and you're kind of lost right now, feel free to be in touch. My number is 7977 61 3060. This is my only number. If I do not pick up your call or do not reply to your WhatsApp within 2 days, does not mean I'm dead. I will call back. I just have around 200 messages right now as well. However, I will definitely get back to you guys. But please, WhatsApp may be one of the best modes to get in touch. All right? Thank you.